Good morning, children. Welcome to Moral Science class. Children, we have done 2 lessons this time. First is the magic tree, lesson number 7. After this lesson, we have done the next lesson, My Motherland. These two are already done. The explanation is done. The textbook exercises are done. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do revision work. We will do revision work so nicely that we can be prepared for the coming exam. Okay? Nicely do in the copy while doing the revision work, while writing, learn the answers, and I always say, children, learn while writing. Half of the thing is done if you will learn while writing. You learn the answers and you learn the spellings as well. Okay, let's start. What is the date? The date is 19/01/21. Moral Science revision work. Answer in one word. You have to answer in only one word. Now the question number 1 is, what was there in the middle of the park? This question is from the lesson. From the lesson, the magic tree. What was there in the middle of the park? So what was there in the middle of the park which the boy has seen? What was there? It was the magic tree. In the middle of the park was the magic tree. Then the next question is, what should you say? What should you say? What should you say when you want to get someone's attention? What should you say? What are the magic words? The magic words are thank you, sorry, and excuse me, and welcome. Okay, please, all these are magic words. Now, what should you say means which magic word you will use when you want to get someone's attention. You can't say, listen, oh, suno, meri baat suno, listen. No, this is wrong. What should you say if you want to say something to someone and he is not looking at you? The person is not looking at you and you want that person's attention. You want to say something to that person. What will you say? You will say, excuse me. And when you will say, excuse me, that person will start looking at you and you can say your thing, whatever you want to say. So, just to get the attention of someone, you should say, excuse me. Then that person will give his attention to you and you can say your thing. Okay. Question number 3 is, people who belong to India are known by what name? Means those people who live in India, what do we say to them? Means we live in India, what are we called in the world? What people of the world called us? Those who live in India are called Indians. Those who live in USA, America are called Americans. Those who live in Japan are called Japanese. Those who live in Singapore is called Singaporeans. Okay. So, next question is question number 4. What is the national flag of India called? What is the national flag of India called? Tiranga. Tiranga. What is the national flag of India called? Tiranga. Tirang. Ranga. Tiranga. Okay. Name the national animal of India. National animal of India? Tiger. Tiger. I think this spelling everybody knows. Hana? Name the national bird of India. Peacock. Peacock. Cock. Peacock. Peacock. Cock. Peacock. Which song is sung on national festivals? In the school assembly in the morning and in the national festivals, when we hoist our flag, the national festivals, which song do we sing? We sing Jan Gan Man. This also all the children knows, but learn the spelling. Jan Gan Man. Okay. Once again, I am reading for you the questions. Answer in one word. What was there in the middle of the park? The magic tree. What should you say when you want to get someone's attention? Excuse me, or you can say excuse me please. This looks more nice. Excuse me please. Okay? Then the question is, people who belong to India are known by what name? Indians. Indians. Okay. What is the national flag of India called? Tiranga. Name the national animal of India. Tiger. Name the national bird of India. Peacock. Which song is sung on national festivals? Jan Gan Man. Children, do it in the copy. Any copy you can do this work. Okay. In any copy, you have not made moral science copy. You can made any. You can write in any copy, and learn nicely all the answers and the spellings. We will meet in the next moral science class. Till then, bye bye.